You just killed me. What's up, guys? It's me back with another video. Today we're just gonna be playing someone, or not today. Well, it's still the same day, but we're gonna be playing.
Don't even think about it.
We're gonna be playing some 1v1 LOL. It's not a new on the channel. We've played this before. It's just
I can just jump.
I made a party.
Random builds.
Watch
me jump.
God, Maya.
Can you just look at me jump for a minute?
Hold on, let me get up high.
Okay.
I'm about to like destroy everything. Help me destroy everything.
No, just stop. Hold on. Oh.
Trying to have it like a build battle.
No, cause look. Look. Okay, come here.
Shoot at the bottom. So guys, today we're just gonna have a build battle. We're practicing like going against each other. Bro, just shoot the builds. I ain't even trying to fight.
I'm making more builds.
Stop.
I've been doing parkour. Watch. Watch. Look above you.
No.
Let me look. Look beside you then.
Come on. Bro. Dude, I'm trying to break everything. Stop.
Okay, I'll break everything.
Okay, just shoot at the bottom because it makes them collapse.
I'm sure.
Sorry, guys. Bit inconvenience.
Can you do like a live stream?
I would do a live stream, but I ain't got anything to stream on. Bro, stop shooting me. Like,
That
bro.
took like most of it down. What?
Nothing. Get the ones next to you. Bro, stop shooting me. Stop, I'm at 20 HP.
You're about to not be. You said you had 20 HP?
Dang it, I'm a headshot.
Hey, if you were
Okay,
at,
stop shooting.
I know,
Stop
but if you
shooting
were at
everything.
20 HP, you know what I could do?
What?
I could
Gas
legit
me.
pick that, yeah.
Bro!
I'm shooting them down, but you keep on getting in my way. Build battle. Bam!
What?
Oh, you
Actual build better now. Okay. I'll get over here.
I'm building. Wait, Kaden, you know what? Destroy all your builds.
No.
Draw like a line in the middle of the thing so we both have a middle.
Better not shoot down my build. Dang it.
Come on, shoot down these builds.
Something called a sniper. Okay. Sorry, mate.
Come on, let me hit you once.
Okay.
Okay, look at me because I have 6.
Yeah, we're not even trying to kill each other.
Well, you're not.
Okay, actual build better now. Wait, is that all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's the middle, you'd say?
Right here.
Right there?
Yeah, where this
Don't
blue-
use those.
Yeah.
And then come on the other side too. This is my side I'm building on. The outside, yeah, I'll say that. There. So I see.
Bam.
Yeah, I'm just building.
Okay.
This is the middle. Wait.
Dang it. So guys, what y'all been doing? Kinda,
I'm listening to you annoying.
yeah. Goku. They shoot down some of my builds.
Yeah, I get the middle down. Stop shooting that.
Shooting what, my builds? Damn it, you shut out my stuff. Dang it, mate. Hey! War! I got war!
Can I just build my house now?
Now, war.
War means war in our family.
Where you at, mate?
Controller player. Controller player.
What the?
Controller. Hold on, again.
This kid.
Look, watch. No, just watch me jump. Controller player. Bro, chill. Watch me jump. Watch me jump. No. Watch. Can I build something? Watch.
What are
Watch
those
me
build-
jump. Look, all automatically. Oh, dang. You want to pickaxe me? You want to kill me? You want to kill me? Controller player. Controller player.
Come on, I want to pick at what? How much HP are you on?
70, 100, 120.
I will pick at
What are
you.
these builds? No.
I followed you into the void. One side's for building, the other side's just blank. So don't go on this side and start building. Yeah, boy. Pickaxe.
No. How much? I'm at 80. I'll take it 20, huh? I'll just take it 20.
Come
I
here.
don't need any more.
I will pickaxe you.
I was only 20, Chris.
I knew it. I was still at 160. I mean, some candy corn, guys. I heard that on your screen.
Because I'm right behind you.
Dang it.
Watch. Can you just look at me for once in the air? Okay, do you see me? Watch this.
Yeah, I see you.
Jump.
What the heck was
Quick
that?
90.
I saw that. What is that? Like, you can't come over here and build. Did you jump off the map? Hold on, guys.
Bam. I got 9 kills, you only have 4.
I just beamed that kid.
And I just beamed you.
Oh, dang it.
Where you going?
Out of you.
Oh, buddy.
I jumped.
Oh, dang, you are behind. Rank at 90. Ah, no.
Did you try to pickaxe him? Bye-bye.
What the? No, I just lit on your bullet. Like it flung me up in the air.
Hold on, don't kill me. This build's on the wrong side. Right.
Mate, you only have what? 75? Can't touch this, man. You hit me.
Okay, why am I...
Controller player.
What the heck? Hold on, don't kill me.
Crazy build up in this air. Crazy build up in the air. Bet.
This is how I build when I'm getting chased. And it always ends up like this.
This is. I can legit build.
I never know which build is mine, so I can't edit anything.
So,
Wow, why you keep building on the wrong side?
you say the wrong side, huh? I'm on the wrong side.
You're not. Mate,
You should just see random builds anyway.
can't just see random builds. Just random builds everywhere.
For real, that's what I'm doing.
Mate, where you at?
Oh. Hit him for 30. Yeah, 140. You get that fish. Oh, no. Take the wood. We done it. Damn it.
Bro, what else are you at? You must be low as heck.
Going up there. Oh my god. Was that 15?
Eh. Hold on, time out.
I'll throw it away.
Oh, pfft. Or not.
Okay, there's one more. The fuck was
Hey guys. Forgot I was still recording. Okay. That's gonna be the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys like.
Are we still